If you're spending most of your day indoors, the air around you might not be as clean as you think. Dust, chemicals from furniture, cleaning products, they all build up silently. The good news, a few small plants on your windowsill can actually help with that. Today we're talking about the best air-purifying succulents you can grow right inside your home. And trust me, these are easier to keep alive than you think. Let's start with one you've probably already heard of, aloe vera. This plant doesn't just sit there looking pretty. Research has actually shown it can absorb and break down formaldehyde, benzene, and other indoor pollutants. NASA even included it in their list of approved air-purifying plants. It loves sunlight, barely needs watering, and if you ever get a minor burn in the kitchen, well, bonus. Next up is the snake plant, and honestly, this one might be the hardest working plant in our home. Studies have confirmed it can remove fine particulates, VOCs, toluene, and ethyl benzene from indoor air. It grows tall, looks incredibly sleek, and it thrives even if you forget to water it for weeks. If you're new to plants, this is the one to start with. Then there's the jade plant. What makes this one interesting is that it actually helps improve the relative humidity in the room, something that's backed by research. Dry indoor air is a real problem in winter, especially with heating running all day. And this compact little plant quietly helps balance that out. Now here's one that's perfect for the holiday season, but honestly deserves a spot in your home all year round: the Christmas cactus. It's what's called a CAM plant, which means it keeps its pores closed during the day and opens them at night. So while you're sleeping, it's absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. That's genuinely useful in a bedroom. Speaking of bedrooms, the bunny ears cactus is another great option for that. It has a larger surface area than most cacti, which means it can take in more CO2 at night. More oxygen while you sleep, that's a win. And it looks fun too, which doesn't hurt. The ponytail palm is one of that people often overlook, but it actually is excellent at filtering VOCs from indoor air. It stores water in its thick base, so it's incredibly low maintenance. Put it in a bright corner, water it occasionally, and it'll quietly get to work. Hoya is another one worth knowing about. Research has shown that Hoya carnosa is particularly good at removing hydrophilic VOCs like formaldehyde and toluene. Its leaves are also effective at trapping fine airborne particles, the kind that can trigger asthma or allergies. It's a gorgeous trailing plant that looks great on a shelf or hanging near a window. And here's a bonus tip: if you love small succulents like sempervivums or echeveria, group them together in a single bowl or large container. A NASA study found that succulents collectively can clean up to 87% of the volatile organic compounds in indoor air. So a little cluster of them isn't just decorative, it's actually doing something. So there you have it, 8 succulents that look great, need very little attention, and genuinely improve the air in your home. Pick one, start small, and see how you get on. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. There's a lot more plant content coming your way.